Now learning physics will be great fun with a physics teacher, a solution to all problems in physics.
The physics teacher.
A point moves in the plane so that its tangential acceleration w tau is a and its normal acceleration is wn is equal to b t raised to the power 4, where a and b are positive constants and t is the time. At the moment t is equal to 0, the point was at rest. Find how the radius of curvature r of the point's trajectory and the total acceleration w depends on distance covered s. So what we are given with, we have this tangential acceleration, we have this function for this normal acceleration means centripetal acceleration, and what we have to find out, we have to find out the radius of curvature as a function of s, and we have to find out the total acceleration as a function of s. Now we know that the total acceleration is equal to under the root tangential acceleration square plus normal acceleration square. Clear? Now we know tangential acceleration, this is tangential acceleration, that is equal to a, and this normal acceleration as bt4, but we need this w in terms of s and we have this normal acceleration in terms of t, so we have to convert this t in terms of s. So for this we use this w tau, that is the tangential acceleration, and from our definition of tangential acceleration, that is equal to rate of change of speed with respect to time, so that is equal to a. From here we can write v as at by integrating this equation on both sides, and from here you can further write v as ds by dt, that is equal to a into t, and again you can write ds equal to a t dt, and integrating it on both sides you will get s is equal to half a t square. Clear? So from here we have this t square as 2s by a. So we have this result, we have this result which we have to use. So from here, using this value of t square in this equation, you can write this normal acceleration as b t raised to the power 4, means squaring this term on both sides you will get 2s by a whole square. Clear? So from here you get 4b s square divided by a square. So we get this value of the normal acceleration, and if we substitute this value and this value in this result for the total acceleration, we get this total acceleration as a function of s as a square, the value of the tangential acceleration, plus square of this term, so that is 4b s square by a square whole square. Clear? So this is our result for the total acceleration. Now what we have to find next, we have to find this radius of curvature, and that is also in terms of s, and we know that this normal acceleration is equal to v square by r, where r is the radius of curvature. So from here we can write that r is equal to v square by normal acceleration. We know that this v is equal to at, so from here we will write a square t square by normal acceleration, and we have calculated this normal acceleration as 4b s square divided by a square, and substituting this value of t square from here you can write a4 divided by 4b s square into 2s by a, and finally we get a cube divided by 2bs. So this is the radius of curvature.